Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Painted Imagination. In this video, I will be doing a Christmas present makeup. I was inspired by wrapping gifts and I went through a few different wrapping paper and I tried it out. It was a bit of a challenge, but I'm happy with the result and excited to show you how I did it. So stay tuned for that and consider subscribing because I will be doing a lot more makeup transformations and cosplay and face painting. I got a little of everything. I got a little something for everybody on this channel. So subscribe. Coming up, I will be doing a series of makeup illusions. So I'm very excited about that. Get ready, because I'll be posting every Wednesday and Saturday. Yeah! Alright, without further ado, let's get to the video. Enjoy! Hey guys, alright, so I'm starting off with Fab Red. This is called Rage, and I'm just placing it all over my face, including my ears and hair, and I'm leaving a space off around the mouth because that's where the tear is going to be in the wrapping paper. So I'm just making sure it's smooth with my sponge, and now I am grabbing my gold mehron powder, and I made a little stencil, a tree stencil. I just cut a tree shape out of a little flexible plastic that I had, and then I'm placing that randomly all around the face, including some circles, stars, and patterns. For the spaces that I felt like they weren't too bright, I just went over them with the gold and a brush to make them stand out a little bit more. And I'm adding little holly leaves randomly around the face to fill in the empty spaces. Alright, now I'm going to start on the bow. I'm using the last two dark colors in my Autumn Arty cake and a small flat brush, and just making the loops in the ribbon of the bow. I'm making 6 loops, and then I'm making the ribbon going as if it was going around my head. Okay, now I'm placing white along the line of the ripped paper and making a roll at the end as if the paper was rolled up as it was ripped off, and just filling that in with white. I then took a baby wipe and just cleared off the inside of the rip. Okay, now I'm going to outline the ribbon, and I'm making a curve on one side and a loop on the other, and do that for all the loops. And go ahead and outline the rest of the ribbon, and when you're done with that, I'm going to make a very thin outline on the ripped portion of the wrapping paper. I then went ahead and outlined the holly leaves and the trees just to make them a little bit more defined. Okay, now I'm going to start shading. I'm taking my black powder from my Lisa Griffiths palette and I am shading inside that little loop that we've created all around the center and taking a little line in between on the center of each ribbon. And then I'm going ahead and shading underneath on one side of the ribbon. Okay, and then I'm just going to have a small line of shading inside that ripped portion of the wrapping paper, as well as on top of each roll in the rolled up section of the paper. Now I'm taking that same gold and I'm making two thin lines on each side of the ribbon. Okay, now I'm starting with the neck and chest and I'm just filling in with that fab red and my sponge, and now I'm going ahead and cleaning up the edges and starting with my trees and the rest of my stenciling. Alright, I placed some foundation on the exposed skin and I used that same arty cake to fill in the lips. Put some gold powder from Lisa Griffiths palette in the center and filled in the other eye. I took the dark magenta and put it in the crease, that same gold, and put it on the lid, darkened up the crease with some black, and lined my eyes, put some lashes on, and that was it. I then put on a little Santa hat, and that was the final look. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this take on the wrapping paper makeup. I had a challenge, but it was pretty fun, so I hope you enjoyed it. And stay tuned, we're going to do some makeup illusions coming up in this new series, so stay tuned. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like this video, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. Thank you!